ich nehme die Sache jetzt mal selbst in die Hand. Ja, also so kann es ja nicht mehr weitergehen hier mit diesen ganzen verwirrten Viren.
Eine achtlos dahingeworfene Maske. Völlig verseucht mit Viren aller Art. Bakterien, Keimen und so weiter. Ich habe mir vorgenommen, ich werde alle Viren und Keime und Bakterien vernichten. Ich werde jetzt Bill Gates unterstützen. Auf meine Art und Weise.
Some things in life are bad. They can really make you mad. Other things just make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle. And this'll help things turn on for the best. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps, just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the right side of life. For life is quite absurd, and there's the final word. You must always face the curtain with a bow. Don't forget about your sin, give the audience a grin. Enjoy it, it's your last chance anyhow. So always look on the bright side of death. Just before you draw your terminal breath. Life's a piece of shit when you look at it. Life's a laugh and death's a joke, it's true. You see, it's all a show. Keep him laughing as you go. Just remember that the last laugh is on you. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the right side of life. Always look on the right side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. Where things happen and see, you know. Always look on the bright side of life. I mean, what have you got to lose? You know, you come from nothing, you're going back to nothing. What have you lost? Nothing. Always look on the right side of